All right, everyone. This is Dave and Louisa from Cell House Columbus, also known as Cell House, Ohio, and we are here with Victor. And I believe this is the very first testimonial we have ever done with somebody who still has a flip phone. Victor, are you with us today?
Yes, I am.
We can hear you, sir.
Oh,
How was your ex
hey,
how are you?
okay.
Are you happy? We're getting your house closed today. Was Louisa and Cell House, our team here at Cell House, Ohio, were we able to get it done for you?
Yes, you were. It
Was
took a little bit, but we got it done.
Are you happy with Louisa? Was she good to you, sir?
Yes, overall, yes, I am.
Excellent. And what would you say to someone else who needs to sell their house, but they don't want to list it with a real estate agent and they just want to close it with a private buyer? What would you say to them? Would you recommend us?
I would, if anybody asks, I mean, I don't mind, uh, it was just, I guess, the space that between the buyer trying to get money to us was a problem, I guess.
Yeah, that's true.
You know how it is with the banks,
Yeah,
we can't control that, but we were able to get
yeah,
your wire out to you. And I think the money's either in your account or it shows it's pending, it's on its way, right?
yeah. I had looked at, the only thing I got to do is go over to my bank and make sure that that was closed out, and that's all I got to do.
Yep.
But that's I don't have that on my computer, so I
Well,
saw the remaining balance come in.
excellent. I know it'll be there because the wire has been sent. I'm very happy. Are you happy that the funds are on their way? Are you happy to get this finally wrapped up?
Yes, I am.
Excellent. Well, if you're watching this video and you have a house for sale anywhere in Ohio, anywhere in Columbus, Ohio, Pickerington, Grove City, Hilliard, Dublin, we buy houses all over Ohio. Happy to work with you just like we worked with Victor. And you can give us a call at 614-300-5151, or you can go to the website sellhousecolumbus.com. Even if you got a flip phone, doesn't matter. We'll work with everybody. We'll get this done for you. On behalf of myself, on behalf of Louisa and Victor, we look forward to speaking to you real soon.